Hi everyone, welcome to Sugar Rush. Before you start racing your carts, let me show you how to look like the cute and mischievous character Vanellope Von Sweets, also known as Glitch from this game, and make sure to watch till the end to see Ralph and the princesses. Okay, so first I'm going to start on the base, which is the foundation. Rosie's been getting a little bit of that summer sun, so I'm just going to take this porcelain white liquid foundation and just start blending it all over with my new neon green beauty blender. Just gonna blend it on the nose, and she said my beauty blender smells like soap, which is not a bad thing. So let's go ahead and apply some more on the face and also the neck. Next, I'm gonna do some baking. Check out that powder dust. So not baking cookies, but baking her under eyes. So I'm just gonna apply that underneath to brighten. And then I'm also gonna take a lighter foundation and just set the whole face. Now I'm at the brows. So Vanellope, she has pretty dark eyebrows that match with her black hair. So I'm taking my darkest brow pomade from LAgirl USA and just filling in her brows, making them look super bold. Now let's move on to the makeup. So here's this palette that looks just like my backdrop. It's from Too Faced. I'm just going to take this light brown from here and just start sweeping it all over her crease. Her eye makeup is pretty simple, so I'm not going to have too many steps. After that, I'm just going to use this creamy white eyeshadow and apply this just as a base on the lids. And over that, I'm going to take this euphoric eyeshadow, which is almost like an orange, and then just gently pat that on. To whiten her eyes, I'm going to brush on that same matte brown that I used in the beginning, and then we can move on to the eyeliner. I can't skip the eyeliner because it's going to make her eyes look really big and animated. So I'm taking my favorite gel liner from Benefit and making a medium thick line across her upper lash line and then winging it. So here you guys can see how different it looks with the liner and no liner. Now for the lashes, I wanted to use one of the newest mascara from Urban Decay. It's called the Troublemaker, kind of like Vanellope's personality a little. Next, I'm going to add some false lashes because they always pull the whole eye makeup together. So I'm taking this pair from House of Lashes and just gluing them on. So usually my little two tricks to make the eyes really big is applying white eyeliner on the waterline and also using circle lenses. Rosie, she doesn't use any contacts, so we're just gonna skip that, but hopefully this will make it big enough. Okay, today I get to have a little bit more fun with the blush. She just has a lot of blush on her cheeks and also her nose. So I'm taking this pink blush from Tarte and applying it everywhere, and also going over with an orange blush from Nabla Cosmetics. The lips have to be paper thin, so I'm going to take this nude lip liner from Pop Beauty, start working on the upper lip first. So just gonna fill that in, and then just on the outer corners, I'm going to elongate it with a darker lip liner. Finally, we're at the hair, and this is going to be so much fun. So first, I just need to tuck all of Rosie's hair inside a wig cap, and then we're going to put a black wig on. So here's the ponytail black wig that I found on Amazon. I had to style it a little bit just to make it look more like hers. Now we're gonna add some candies. I'm so excited for this part, guys. So I went to Party City, got a bunch of different candies. So we're just going to start gluing them all over her hair. Now Rose wants to do it herself, so I'm just gonna let her do it. But if you guys are curious, I'm actually using an eyelash glue to stick these candies on. Oh, and I also caught her eating some of the candies. So here is my finished Vanellope Von Sweets makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and now enjoy this fun little skit.
Hi, mister.
Ugh. Man, you scared me, kid.
What's your name?
Ralph. Wreck-It Ralph.
You're not from here, are you?
Yeah, well, no, not from this area.
Hey, are you a hobo?
No, I'm not a hobo.
Whoa, ladies. I'm a princess too.
What kind of a princess are you?
Do animals talk to you? No.
Were you poisoned?
No.
Do people assume all your problems got solved just because a strong man showed up?
Yes, what is up with that?
She is a princess! Also guys, I posted another video. This is the most amazing and unique makeup hacks revealed. Everybody needs to watch this. So click the card or the link, whatever pops up. And there's also a giveaway happening in the description. So that's all for today. Until next time, bye!